In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new template in the WMS Studio. So go to the Logiks solution platform and click on the module WMS Studio. Now you will see the module My Templates. There you will see a list of all templates you have already registered, but if you're new, there will be no template yet. So click on Create New Template. The template helps you to make a general or a default template. So if you add a new device, you can select this template for the new device, and so the device will work as the other ones. So you don't have to configure all the settings and the backend settings and the connection to the SAP Business One database again. First of all, select a name. Now you can select if this template should be your default template. In the backend settings, you will now have the settings to get the connection to your SAP database. So if you have already installed the gateway, it is more simple because then you can enable this counter and select the gateway. Now simply add the credentials of your SAP user and the service layer address. So if you have entered all the data, so your service layer address, the SAP password and login, and selected your gateway, you can go to the general settings, and there you can select, for example, a default warehouse. So this warehouse is taken as default for every process. You can select your language, select the timeout, so when you're inactive, and how often the system should synchronize with your SAP database, and select the device you're using this template. You can change it for every device again in the future, but first of all, just set one as default for the main device you are using. And then click on Create Template. Now you will see your new template is added, and first of all, the status is not used because now this template is not assigned to a device. If you now go to Devices and, for example, say that this device should now use my template, if you change it, the status of your template will be from inactive or from not used to used.